This is JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It's November 15th, 2024. Looking over at the Pioneers with the supermoon shining on them, showing those white snowy capped mountains, looking almost like it's daylight out there. Huge shout out to all the recent supporters. Appreciate the love. For all the other ones, if you want to sign up for a monthly membership, that'd be awesome to keep this ad free. Looking at the weekends, starting out with today, we're going to see some light snow showers all the way down to the valley floor today. Meet cooler temperatures, lows in the lower 40s. Not expecting much, 1 to 2 inches, less than an inch in the valley floor, probably more like a trace. And then tomorrow's going to be a nice sunny day, but cold temperatures in the upper 30s in the valley floor with some northwest flow bringing in those cooler winds. And then Sunday, we have our next storm system coming in around mid to later in the afternoon, and that goes into the evening, into the morning hours as a strong cold front. All right, looking around morning temperatures this morning, we are in the upper or the mid 20s to lower 30s in the Wood River Valley, and cold over in the Stanley Valley in the teens. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see this, we have this big trough moving like this. So we're gonna have a brief area of high pressure here, very brief. All the southern hills are gonna be getting moisture. The south hills are getting all moisture today with the axis of this trough shifting overhead. And that's not going to leave us too much snow up in the northern mountains. So we'll take a look at the HER forecast. Zoom in here a little bit. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, so this is right around now. You can see some moisture works its way in from the southwest today, but mostly light blues, so not going to be too much in the form of precip. It does look like the eastern mountain, it's kind of looking like wraparound moisture. So the eastern mountains look like they're going to get a little bit more of that, and that'll roll out of here to bring in nice sunny skies on Saturday. All right, looking at this is Pocatello's forecast for the next 24 hours. So you can see those little hot spots are going to be in the Pioneers and over in the White Clouds where we might get 4 to 8 inches of snow. Everywhere else is pretty low key, 1 to 2 inches. Like I said, most of the South Hills are getting hit today. This is definitely favoring them. Looking at the bigger picture into Monday, you can see over in Sun Valley area, we're going to be picking up in Haley about 2 inches Sunday night into Monday, maybe about 3 in Ketchum, Sun Valley, and around 2 in Stanley. This is favoring the eastern sides of the mountains, so it looks like maybe more of a southwest flow. Anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, and the Sawtooth kind of dwindles down as you go into the Smokies, but over in the Pioneers it's quite significant, and over into the White Clouds. So the Pioneers and the White Clouds haven't been getting as much snow out of these systems, so that'll start beefing up that snowpack a little bit and adding some early season snow to probably fast it out. All right, this is looking at the NAM forecast. So this is through Monday morning, just another look at snow totals. This kind of gives a running average, pretty similar to what Boise put out, a little bit, showing a little bit less snow in the Sawtooth, and about this, but basically about the same hot spots, like over in the Pioneers here, about a foot. Over in the Boulder White Clouds area, 7 to 10 inches, and then the Sawtooth anywhere from 8 to 10 inches. And then Bogus Basin, about 4 inches over there. So definitely it would be much cooler temperatures with this storm system, um, which is good if you want to see snow. All right, looking at, let's see, last thing I'll show you is just the big picture. Replay this. So you can see this big axis over us right now. It's the upper level low. So bringing that southerly flow to the South Hills, and you can see the northwest winds come in on Saturday. It's going to be a brief area, like a shortwave ridge of high pressure, very short lasting. But since it's got those cold northerly winds, it will drop the temperature down a little bit. Now this is the next cold front that's coming through Sunday afternoon. You can see the lows all the way up in the Gulf of Alaska. And the gradient's pretty tight, so probably going to see some pretty strong winds with this one and just be a quick hitting cold front. So it does look like it will snow mostly through the night, depending on how the setup looks in the next couple of days. We'll see how this kind of amounts, setting up with that southwest flow. It's kind of a little surprising that the sawtooths are getting as much as they are, but that's what the forecast models are showing. And then I'll kind of be out of here on Tuesday, and we have an area, some upper level ridge forming on Wednesday for nice weather. And then our next system looks like it's coming in on Thursday. A little bit more north, very strange position here. Yeah, we don't normally see that. All right, and that takes us into the future cast, so we'll stop it there. Phrase of the day. Don't really have much for today, but I am going to emo night tonight, so I'll see you there at Whiskey's if you're into that. Emo night.